around us constitutes our environment. The components shown in this scene form our environment, which includes all living and non-living things around us. Human activities affect our environment. Sometimes they affect in a harmful way, causing pollution. Air is an important component of our environment. Air pollution occurs when we add chemicals and other harmful substances to the Earth's atmosphere. Air pollution occurs due to smoke produced from factories and vehicles. Burning crackers and dry leaves also produces smoke. Breathing polluted air over a long period of time can cause respiratory diseases like bronchitis, asthma, allergies, and even lung cancer. When wastewater from houses, factories, hospitals, etc. enters water bodies, it causes water pollution. Sewage and industrial waste thrown into rivers without being treated leads to the addition of poisonous substances in the water bodies. This results in the deaths of aquatic animals and plants that live in these water bodies. If humans come in contact with this polluted water, it may cause skin diseases. Plastic, metal, and glass wastes, which do not break down easily, cause land pollution. Land also gets polluted when trees are cut down, leading to barren land, which is prone to erosion. Chemicals in the form of fertilizers, pesticides, and weedicides are used for growing crops. These also pollute the land and crops. Loudspeakers, loud music, honking, etc. are all sources of noise pollution. Exposure to these harmful and loud sounds over a long period of time can cause deafness. Clean air, water, and soil are important for our survival. The authorities and people are taking steps to reduce pollution by organizing cleanliness drives, developing water purification plants, and using natural manures. What can you do to reduce pollution?